In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use templates in Microsoft Project. Templates are a great way to save time and keep your projects consistent, especially if you manage similar work over and over. We'll start by building a solid project that will become the template, then we'll save it in the right format, and finally, we'll use that template to spin up a brand new project. First, build the project you want to turn into a template. Enter all the tasks you plan to reuse, add logical links and dependencies, set up the calendars you need, and include any resource assignments that should repeat from project to project. Think of this as your ideal blueprint. Keep one-off or highly specific details out, so the template stays flexible for future work. When your structure looks good, go to File, then Export. Choose Save Project as File, and select Project Template. This ensures you're saving to the template format rather than a standard project file. In the file name box, type a clear, meaningful name so you and your team can recognize it later, something that reflects the project type or workflow. Make sure the Save as type is set to Project Template, then click Save. A dialog will appear asking what data you want to strip out. This is important because you want your template to start clean every time it's reused. Consider removing baseline data so you don't carry over old performance measurements, actual work so you aren't importing historical effort, and costs so previous budgets don't pre-fill new projects. Keep only what truly belongs in every future project, then click OK to finish saving. Now, to use your template, open Microsoft Project Desktop and go to File, then New. Look for Featured Templates or choose Browse to navigate to your saved template file with the .mpt extension. Select your template and click Create. Project will open a new project file based on that template, bringing in the tasks, structure, calendars, and any reusable resource assignments you included. From here, tailor the project to your current effort. Adjust the start date to match your timeline, update task durations or effort as needed, and refine resource assignments for the team actually doing the work this time. This step keeps your projects accurate while preserving the consistency your template provides. As a best practice, always work in the new project file and avoid editing the template directly unless you're intentionally improving the blueprint for future use. And that's it. Build thoughtfully, save as a template, and reuse it to launch projects quickly and consistently.